we made plenty of pulavs, but after a long time again I am making the Jafrani pulav, but in the Kashmiri style with a lot of nuts, what we often call as Madhur pulav. These pulavs are nice, elegant and super tasty. So as a sweet you can make it, and if you add little bit of less sugar you can also eat with other items. Hello. Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Chef at Vareva.com, and today we are going to make Madhur pulav. Madhur means sweet. So first we are going to cook the basmati rice, and so for that soak the basmati rice for at least 30 minutes. Use twice the quantity of water. In this water add 1 spoon of ghee and add the rice. Mix it one time, cook it on a slow flame till the entire water is absorbed, and in this add bay leaf, clove and cinnamon stick to get the nice flavor into the rice. In another pan we are going to make sugar syrup. For 2 cups of sugar add 2 cups of water, and in this add some saffron. The rice is almost perfectly cooked, but still it is like individual grains, so some of the moisture is there. So I am just going to put the lid on and I am going to put it on the side, and also I have got the sugar syrup along with the saffron ready. We are going to add ghee in this pan. At least half a cup of ghee or more can be added for this sweet, and in this we are going to add all the nuts. Here is the thinly sliced coconut, the cashew nut, the almonds, and look at the way I tried to maintain a very low heat. When these ones are getting nicely fried, add pistachio. In this we are going to add raisins, dates, and also add the sugar syrup. You are having this great sugar syrup with saffron, everything ready, and now I am going to add the rice. Look at this, the rice has to be nice and grainy. See, each grain of rice should be individually intact. Put the entire rice in this, and we are going to cook it on a very slow flame for the next 15 minutes or more. Slowly this rice will turn into the golden kind of pearls. I don't know how to explain it, but it is just too awesome. Wow magic with Chef Mani. We are going to make another palak paneer, but this is the Kashmiri style palak paneer. For the Kashmiri style of palak paneer, we are going to use the mustard oil. If you think mustard oil is too strong for you, you can always dilute it with other oil. If you are using a non-stick pan, it is fine, but if you are using any other pan, just sprinkle a little bit of salt so that the paneer doesn't go and stick at the bottom. This is a simple trick I use for a lot of fries. Put the pieces down and fry them till they are slightly colored. Just fry the paneer pieces, because some people just love the nice texture of fried paneer, and when this is served along with the palak, it's going to taste super. In this oil add clove. If you want to add some Kashmiri chili, you can add it. This is optional, just 2 pieces I'm adding. In this we're going to add a little bit of hing, and in this we're going to add ginger powder, turmeric, fennel powder, and add a little bit water. In this add some salt and also add some green chili. You have to cook this so that these spices, whatever we added, they cook well. Look at this, this is reduced and nice. In this we are going to add the spinach leaf, and then we're going to let it cook for few minutes, and the leaf will become soft and nice. See, the moisture was little more, so I just removed the spinach like this, and then I'm letting this gravy cook so that it becomes slightly thicker. I'm just putting back the spinach. Now this is the required consistency I want, and also we're going to add the paneer pieces. And these paneer pieces, just going to mix this. Since the paneer is already fried and done, so just let this cook in these juices for 2-3 minutes, and this will be ready to serve. Palak paneer of a different kind, and the paneer also nicely fried. The look of the paneer itself make me super happy. Nice aroma and the flavor from this. Regular white rice or pulao or anything, you can just enjoy this. And the paneer, after frying, it gets a nice texture. Dear friends, you must have eaten many palak paneers, but this is what is called Indian palak paneer. In South we make it different, in the mid-north they make it different, and in the Kashmir they make it slightly different, and everywhere you go they have their own palak paneer. So this is with the haq, the greens and the cheese. Mustard oil makes all the difference. Dear friends, the Kashmiri style with the spinach, and we made this excellent Madur pulao, nice sweet basmati rice, and let's taste that. On a slow cooking, you got to see this rice has become beautiful. The beautiful sweet basmati rice. Look at all the nuts and everything. And let's taste it now. Once in a while, not just biryanis, but make these kind of Madur pulao. Dear friends, keep making great food. Share these recipes. Tell me what more recipes you want to learn, and I'll be more than happy to cook for you. Simple, easy and delicious. Keep cooking and keep saying Vareva. Wow.